Ranking a YouTube video involves several strategies that optimize its visibility and engagement. Here are some key steps you can follow to help your video rank higher on YouTube. Optimize video title. Make sure the title is clear, engaging, and includes relevant keywords. Keep it under 60 characters to avoid truncation in search results. The title should align with the video content and target audience. Use relevant tags. Tags help YouTube understand the content of your video. Include both broad and specific keywords related to your video. Use a mix of long-tail keywords, specific phrases, and short-tail keywords, general terms. Write a compelling description. Write a detailed video description, at least 200 words. Include relevant keywords naturally in the first 1 to 2 sentences. Provide value in the description, explaining what the video is about and how viewers will benefit from watching it. Use timestamps if your video is long and covers multiple topics. Custom thumbnail. Create eye-catching and custom thumbnails that stand out. Thumbnails should visually summarize the video content and entice viewers to click. Keep the thumbnail simple, with bold text and high contrast for clarity. Engagement signals, likes, comments, shares encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your video. Respond to comments to boost engagement and interaction. More engagement signals can help improve your video's ranking in search and suggested videos. Use playlists. Organize your videos into playlists, ensuring they are relevant to each other. Playlists help increase video views by keeping users on your channel longer. Make sure your playlists are optimized with relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Closed captions/subtitles. Adding captions or subtitles can help YouTube understand your video's content and improve accessibility. You can either upload your own captions or let YouTube generate them automatically, then edit them for accuracy. Promote your video on social media and external websites. Share your videos on social media platforms, blogs, forums, and other websites. Driving traffic from external sources can increase views and engagement, which positively impacts rankings. Watch time and audience retention. YouTube prioritizes videos with higher watch time, meaning the more people watch your video, the better it will rank. Focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that keeps viewers watching longer. Analyze audience retention data in YouTube Analytics to identify and improve weak points in your videos. Consistency and upload schedule. Upload videos consistently to build an audience and improve channel authority. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Cross-promotion with other YouTubers. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. This can expose your video to a broader audience and increase its visibility. Collaborations and mentions help increase engagement, leading to higher rankings. Video length and quality. YouTube tends to favor videos that are of a reasonable length for the topic and engaging. Too short or too long can affect performance. Aim for high-quality video and audio to retain viewers and boost engagement. By following these practices and continuously analyzing performance through YouTube Analytics, you can improve your video's chances of ranking higher.